गुरुभ्यो नमः। एकादशोऽध्यायः। ध्यानम् बालारविद्युतिमिन्दुकिरीटाम् बालरविद्युतिमिन्दुकिरीटाम् तुङ्गकुचां नयनत्रययुक्ताम् बालरविद्युतिमिन्दुकिरीटाम् तुङ्गकुचां नयनत्रययुक्ताम् Balaravi means rising sun. Udhyadbhanu. Balaravidhyuti Indukiritam. Tunga Kucham is very prominent breast. Tunga means prominent. Nayanatraya Yuktam, 3 eyes. Okay. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram.
Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram.
Pasha Abhitikaram. Okay. Pashabhiti. Bhitikaram. Pashabhitikaram. Pashabhitikaram.
Pashabhihi itikaram.
Bhitikaram is Abhaya Varadhasta. Okay. Smeramukim Varadha. First they say Abhitikaram is Abhayakara. Okay. Pasham Angusham Varada Abhayakara. For
It's not Abhiti.
Abhiti. No Abhiti. No. Sorry. I said Abhiti. No. Bhitikaram. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram.
Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram.
Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram. Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim.
Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram. Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim. Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram. Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim.
Om Balaravidyutimindukiritam Tungakucham Nayanatrayayuktam Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim.
Om Balaravidyutimindukiritam Tungakucham Nayanatrayayuktam Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim. Om Balaravidyutimindukiritam Tungakucham Nayanatrayayuktam Smeramukim Varadam Kushapasha Bhitikaram Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim.
So the next 6 stanzas, 6 verses, we have seen so far. The first one, I just want to ask, what is the chandas we learned? Some 56 Vasanta Tilaka chandas was in the 4th Shakradhistuti. 4th chapter, Shakradhistuti was Vasanta Tilaka. Then in the 5th chapter, after the Aparajita Stuti, we have few lines, two verses of Vamshastha meter. So the first Vasanta Tilaka meter was 56 syllables. Next one is 48 syllables. These verses are called Upajati. Upajati verses has got 44 syllables. Upajati verses has got 44 syllables. So the third one is this. There is no variations beyond this now because only these things are there. Okay. Om Rishiruvacha. देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे
देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे
सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम्
सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि
वह्नि वह्नि नो वह्नि नि वह्नि स्वापहारद कडेयल्ल वह्नि वह्नि ओके सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम्. So it is actually they say like there is no mistake as such. Vanhi, if you say both, they don't have the mistake as such, but the way it is written, it is Vahni or Vanhi. Both more like in Kerala style, it becomes Vanhi, Vanhi, Vanhi. They say like they are used to that.
In the Sanskrit grammar rule, they get swap.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to always say
Vanhi.
When this ha comes, we should Brahma also example.
Brahma.
So we don't say Brahma, Brahma.
Mm-hmm.
When we say it is Brahma.
Okay.
So Vahni is Vanhi. Whenever we are reciting, even though the script will be like that in every book.
Mm-hmm.
So we have to say Vanhi.
Vanhi, okay.
Always.
I don't remember.
So it is the rule of Sanskrit.
Okay.
Grammar.
Sendrasura Vahni Purogamastam.
सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम्
देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम्.
देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम्
कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात्
कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात्
विकाशि वक्त्राब्ज विकाशिदाशाः
विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः
कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशि वक्त्राब्ज विकाशिदाशाः
कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः
देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशि वक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः
देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः देव्याहते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सेन्द्रासुरा वह्नि पुरोगमास्ताम् कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशिवक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद
प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य
प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम्
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम्
त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर् जगदोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वम् त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य
आधारभूता जगदस्त्वमेका
आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका
महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि
महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि
आधारभूता जगदस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि
आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि
अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत्
अपां स्वरूपस्थितया द्वैतत् अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत्
आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत्ताप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत् आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत् आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
आधारभूता जगदस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतदाप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत् आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये आधारभूता जगतस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैतत् आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्यवीर्ये
त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्तवीर्या
त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्तवीर्या त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्तवीर्या
Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya.
Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya.
Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya.
Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya. Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya.
Sammohidam Devi Samastametat.
Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Sammohitam Devi Samastametat.
Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu. Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya. Sammohidam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya. Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu. Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya. Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya. Sammohitam Devi Samastametat. Tvam vai prasanna bhuvi mukti hetuhu.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha.
Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu.
Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu. Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu.
Tvayaikaya Puritamambayaidat.
Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat. Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat.
Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
Tvayaikaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi. Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu. Tvayaikaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu. Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi. Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha. Striyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu. Tvayaikkaya Puritamambayaitat. Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi.
The first 6 verses are of, I told you, like Upajati. And it is followed by Anushtup Chandas. The only thing, the Anushtup Chandas, mostly it is praising the deity. praising Devi. And this is also praising. The difference between these two kind of praising, why there was a difference in the meter, is because the first 6 verses actually talk about Shaktam. The Shaktam, Shakti Upasana, Shakti. What is the aspect of Shakti? What is Shakti? And then he shifts to praising her. He shifts to praising her. The praising things comes in Anushtup Chandas. The first 6 are very important because understanding the Shakti, like it is mostly Parinamavada, the evolution, the theory of evolution. Shakti talks about, Shaktam talks about the theory of evolution, Parinamavada. It is also the same Advaita philosophy, but Parinamavada. Whereas Shankaracharya's is Vivardhavada. That is Maya. He says it is Maya. That is like, the famous thing is like the rope and the snake. Rope looks like snake. The world also looks like. It is not real. It's not really snake. That is Vivardhavada. Parinamavada is the transformation that happens like, from thread to cloth or mud to a pot. The transformation, the same thing is transformed into so many. So these two are the difference. Though they both talk about Advaita, the Vivardhavada and the Parinamavada. So the first 6 actually explains the Parinamavada. First 6 verses. That is why it is given in a different chandas, whereas it's followed by Anushtup Chandas praising her. The next 28 verses, I think up to 28, it is just praising her. Okay, that is the difference, because it all looks like, it's all praising her. Why there is difference in meter? Actually, the first 6 are, that is Shaktam explained in a very crisp way. Okay, so now you recite the first 6 and then we will proceed. Dhyanam Om Balana Vidyudimindu Kiritam Tunga Pujam Nayanatraya Yuktam Smeramukhim Varadangusha Bhitikaram Prabhaje Bhuvaneshim Om Rushiruvaja Devyahate Tatra Mahasurendre Sendrasuravani Purogamastam Katyayanim Tushturishtalabhat Vikashi Vaktrabja Vikashidashah Devi Prapannarti Hare Prasida Matar Jagadokilasya Prasida Vishweshwari Pahi Vishwam Tvamishwari Devi Characharasya Adhara Bhuta Jagadastvameka Mahi Swarupena Yatastitasi Apam Swarupastitaya Tvayedat Apyayate Krutsnamalangya Virye Tvam Vaishnavi Shaktirananta Virya Vishvasya Bijam Paramasi Maya Sammohitam Devi Samastamedat Tvam Vai Prasanna Bhuvi Mukti Hetuhu Vidya Samastas Devi Vedaha Triyas Samastas Sakala Jagatsu Tvayaikaya Puridamambayaitat Kate Studistavya Paraparoktihi. Now we are switching over to Anushtup Chandas, okay? Sarva Bhutayata Devi
Sarvabhutayada Devi Sarvabhutayada Devi
Svarga Mukti Pradayini
Svarga Mukti Pradayini Svarga Mukti Pradayini
Sarva Bhutayada Devi Svarga Mukti Pradayini
Sarvabhutayada Devi Svarga Mukti Pradayini Sarvabhutayada Devi Svarga Mukti Pradayini
Tvam Stutha Stutaye Kava
Tvam Stutha Stutaye Kava Tvam Stutha Stutaye Kava
Bhavantu Paramuktayah
Bhavantu Paramuktayah Bhavantu Paramuktayah
त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः
स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः
सर्वभूतायदा देवी स्वर्गमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः
सर्वभूतायदा देवी स्वर्गमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः सर्वभूतायदा देवी स्वर्गमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये कामा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण
जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते
जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते
स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी
स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी
नारायणी नमोस्तुते
नारायणी नमोस्तुते नारायणी नमोस्तुते
स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी
स्वर्गा नो भवर्ग भवर्ग स्वर्गापवर्गते पवर्गते नाभा ओके स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी
नारायणी नमोस्तुते स्वर्गापवर्गते देवी नारायणी नमोस्तुते
कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण
कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण
परिणामप्रदायिनी Kalakashtadi the passing of time. The change also happens with the passing of time. Everything changes with the passing of. That is what they say. Kalakashtadi rupena, the form you are in, you are actually the passing time. And parinama pradayini, the change is also predominant during the passing of time. That is what they are saying. Like, this is exactly like, the entire Shaktam philosophy is filled in this. Vishwasyoparadhau Shakte Narayani Namostute Uparatha means ceasing to exist. Vishwasyopari Upada. Then it means the world also ceases to exist. With changes also happen during this time. In the end, it also ceases to exist. So he says everything is you. Narayani Namostute. Vishwasyoparatau Shakte Narayani Namostute.
Vishwasyoparatau Shakte Narayani Namostute. Vishwasyoparatau Shakte Narayani Namostute.
Kalakashtadi Rupena Parinama Pradayini Vishwasyo Varadau Shakte Narayani Namostute.
कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनि विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनि विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणि नमोऽस्तु ते
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके
सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये No. Sarvamangalamangallye. See, we are all, this is so common. We are used to saying Mangalye. See, the thing is, Shiva, the name Shiva itself is auspicious. Auspiciousness. Sarva Mangala. So, auspiciousness, he has got auspiciousness all around. That is why Gunashray, that is the next one. So, Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive, that is only Mangalye, not Mangalye, that we all have been saying it as Mangalye. Sarva Mangala Mangalye. So, she is the most auspicious of all auspicious things. And she is auspicious. Superlative degree. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike.
Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike.
Sharanye Trambake Gauri.
Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Sharanye Trambake Gauri.
Narayani Namostute.
Narayani Namostute. Narayani Namostute.
Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute.
Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute. Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute.
Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute.
Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute. Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike. Sharanye Trambake Gauri. Narayani Namostute.
Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam.
Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam. Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam.
Shakti Bhute Sanatani.
Shakti Bhute Sanatani. Shakti Bhute Sanatani.
Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam. Shakti Bhute Sanatani.
Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam. Shakti Bhute Sanatani. Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam. Shakti Bhute Sanatani.
Gunashraye Gunamaye.
Gunashraye Gunamaye. Gunashraye Gunamaye.
Narayani Namostute.
Narayani Namostute. Narayani Namostute.
Shakti Bhuta is the power source. Shakti Bhuta. It is not plain Shakti, the one who activates all this Srishti, Siddhi, Samharam, everything. There is a power behind it. Though we are like, we say Brahma, Vishnu, Rudra and every names, the power behind, the energy behind that is called Shakti Bhuta. The energy behind all the Srishti, Sriti, Krityam, all the Pancha Krityam, the energy behind that. Sanatani, she's the oldest, okay? Gunashraye, she's the source of all gunas. She is the source of all gunas. Gunamayi. She is the embodiment of all gunas. All gunas are in equilibrium in her. Because if you see, so I have explained also previously, the entire creation happened with the variation of gunas. Gunas in different permutation and combination, everything is created. So, Gunashraya, that is why Sanatani, the words are used so well. Sanatani, she is the Adya Shakti. Adya Shakti is called, she is the oldest, which emerged as the Gunashraya, the embodiment of source of all gunas and the embodiment of all gunas. Narayani Namostute. She is the Mahalakshmi, Chandika Mahalakshmi, Adi Shakti. Okay. You want to recite these 5 before we proceed? Sarva Bhuta. Okay? Yeah. We will recite it once. Sarva Bhuta Yada Devi Svarga Mukti Pradayini Tvam Stuta Stutaye Kava Bhavantu Paramuktayah Sarvasya Buddhi Rupena Janasya Kruti Samstite Svarga Pavargade Devi Narayani Namostude Kala Kashtadi Rupena Parinama Pradayini Vishwasyo Bharadau Shakta Narayani Namostude Sarva Mangala Mangalye Shive Sarvartha Sadhike Sharanye Trambake Gauri Narayani Namostute Srishti Sthiti Vinashanam Shakti Bhute Sanatani Gunashraye Gunamaye Narayani Namostute Sharanagada Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sharanagada Dinartha Paritrana Parayane
Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane
Sarvasyarti Hare Devi
Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Sarvasyarti Hare Devi
Narayani Namostute
Narayani Namostute Narayani Namostute
Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute
Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute
Sharanagada Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute
Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute Sharanagata Dinartha Paritrana Parayane Sarvasyarti Hare Devi Narayani Namostute.
Now her different rupams. From Brahmani it starts. Okay. Hamsa Yukta Vimanasthe
Hamsayukta Vimanaste Hamsayukta Vimanaste
Brahmani Rupadharini
Brahmani Rupadharini Brahmani Rupadharini
Hamsa Yukta Vimanasthe Brahmani Rupadharini
Hamsayukta Vimanaste Brahmani Rupadharini Hamsayukta Vimanaste Brahmani Rupadharini.
So we all know that she keeps sprinkling water. Sprinkling water to weaken the energy of the demons. The same water can be used to increase our power also. The thing is, every aspect of hers has got the dual function. One if you go, that is why, like, that is explained in the first 6 lines, like, every being has got the right to live the worldly life, but the only thing is expected of the being is to adherence to dharma. If they are adhering to dharma, things will happen very smoothly. The same thing can become negative. Like, for example, take water. Water is the sustenance of our lives. No? We read it one day now. Water is the sustenance, basics. When it goes beyond, we abuse it, misuse it, we keep doing. Human beings are the worst. Like, we are misusing the Prakriti so much. Like, when the flood comes, the same thing becomes destructive. What is the main sustenance become destructive. The same way, Kaushamba Charike. Kaushamba means, we know, like, the water actually mantra purva, all the consecrated with the mantras. But here, Kaushamba, they have used it. The kusha grass, the darbhe, they put it in that and boil it. Why they do it? Darbhe, as I told you, is the one thing that doesn't conduct electromagnetic rays. So, when that, with the darbhe, if you are going to energize that water, the mantra stays intact in that. It is not affected by the outside forces. That is why Kaushamba, they have used the word Kaushamba. Kaushamba means with the kusha grass, the darbhe, it is present there. So the outside magnetic rays, electromagnetic, because the world is, Prapancham is completely filled with electromagnetic rays. Wherever we are, even we carry a circuit, each one of us. No? So that is something, it is beautifully, it is put here. Kaushambakshari ke devi. I think Narayani Namostute, I don't need to repeat it. Narayani Namostute.
Kaushambakshari ke devi, Narayani Namostute. Kaushambakshari ke devi, Narayani Namostute.
Hamsa yukta vimanaste brahmani rupadharini. Kaushambakshari ke devi, Narayani Namostute.
Hamsa yukta vimanaste brahmani rupadharini. Kaushambakshari ke devi, Narayani Namostute. Hamsa yukta vimanaste brahmani rupadharini. Kaushambakshari ke devi, Narayani Namostute.
Trishula Chandra Hidhare.
Trishula Chandra Hidhare. Trishula Chandra Hidhare.
Ahida means serpents. Okay, Ahida, Chandra Ahida, because she's wearing serpent ornaments, no? Like Shiva, because Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini.
Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini. Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini.
Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute.
Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute. Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute.
Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini. Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute.
Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini. Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute. Trishula Chandra Hidhare Maha Vrishabhavahini. Maheshwari Swarupena Narayani Namostute.
Mayura Kukkutavrithe.
Mayura Kukkutavrithe. Mayura
Mayura here is peacock. Kukkuta is cock. Plain cock. Because if you see Muruga temple, you can see the cock there in the flag. His flag, no? Because it's Avrate is surrounded by these two. Kaumari, okay? Mayura Kukkutavrate.
Mayura Kukkutavrate. Mayura Kukkutavrate.
Mahashakti Dhare Nage.
Mahashakti Dhare Nage. Mahashakti Dhare Nage.
Mayura Kukkutavrate. Mahashakti Dhare Nage.
Mayura Kukkutavrate. Mahashakti Dhare Nage. Mayura Kukkutavrate. Mahashakti Dhare Nage.
Kaumari Rupa Samsthane Narayani Namostute.
Kaumari Rupa Samsthane Narayani Namostute. Kaumari Rupa Samsthane Narayani Namostute.
Shankha Chakra Gada Sharga.
Shankha Chakra Gada Shanga. Shankha Chakra Gada Shanga.
Gruhita Paramayudhe.
Gruhita Paramayudhe. Gruhita Paramayudhe.
Shankha Chakra Gada Sharga. Gruhita Paramayudhe.
Shankha Chakra Gada Shanga. Gruhita Paramayudhe. Shankha Chakra Gada Shanga. Gruhita Paramayudhe.
Prasida Vaishnavi Rupe Narayani Namostute.
Prasida Vaishnavi Rupe Narayani Namostute. Prasida Vaishnavi Rupe Narayani Namostute.
Gruhitogra Mahachakre.
Gruhitogra Mahachakre. Gruhitogra Mahachakre.
Damshro Dhruta Vasundhare.
Damshro Dhrutavasundare. Damshro Dhrutavasundare.
Varahamurti is the one who actually lifts the earth from the sea, under the sea. And he is holding it on his two teeth. But here it is described as Varahi. Next one. Varaha Rupini. She is in the form of. That is what. See, Shakti aspect itself is so subtle. You see one Rupam, which is called by different names. But the one that activates that Rupam is very subtle. That is what is Shakti. Shakti form itself is very. So many times here you see there are few examples that are going to come here in the next few when actually the Indra would have done or Varahamurti would have done. But it is all attributed to female version of that. Because they say that Shakti in them is doing it. The form is theirs. The Shakti in them does it. They are so they cannot be separated. They are inseparable ones. That is the reason Varaham, here we are seeing like next line, and when they are going to Mede Saraswati or Aindri, all those things Indra would have done. Like the counterpart would have done that. But it is said like, it is interpretation is because this belongs to Shakti Upasana. So interpretation is that. So we have to understand like the form is theirs. The inducing energy in them is called Shakti. That we have to understand that. That is it. What activates them is the inside that Shakti. Now, even now they say behind every successful person a woman is there. No? Here the woman is within, not there, behind.
So her gunas also from those three murtis.
Yes. Everything. See, the murti is murti, but the gunam, action, sense, everything is the rupa, Shakti.
But from those.
No, not from them. It is because of, this is very subtle. The gunam itself is her. Gunashraye Gunamaye, we say it. She's the source of all gunas. Why we say that is like, the activating, inducing power inside this Murti to act is her. Is
Not from them to her.
Not from them to her. They are the form. The form is given. See, எப்படி வந்து இப்போ ஒரு பேட்டரியில ஒரு டாய் இருக்கு. If there's a toy there, you just keep it. You switch on the light. With the battery power, it keeps moving everywhere. Right? ஒரு சாவி கொடுத்தா வண்டி ஓடுற மாதிரி it just keeps going. Right? What is that savi energy? That is what is Shakti. If
But அந்த குணாதிசயங்கள் அந்த ஆதிபராசக்திக்கு சிவன் பிரம்மா விஷ்ணு சிவன்
ஆதிபராசக்தியிலேந்து பிரம்மா விஷ்ணு சிவன் பிரியர் இட் இஸ் நீங்க உல்டாவா சொல்றீங்க. From Shakti, Adi Shakti, what happens when the Prapancham, when it is the beginning of the creation,
but அசுரர்கள் வதம் பண்றதுக்கு அவ எல்லாரும் கொடுக்கிறது தானே
இல்லையே. That is what I explained then itself. Her energy got fragmented into lot many, and the fragmented energy come back to her to form her. இவகிட்டே இந்த எனர்ஜி கொஞ்சம் கொஞ்சமா எல்லாத்துக்கும் போறது. நம்மகிட்டயும் இருக்கு. It is in the entire Prapancham has got her energy within us. Like that, they also have their energy within them. All the energy of hers again come back to us, come back to her and form her. She becomes whole energy. புரியல இன்னும் புரியல கட்சி ஓகே இல்ல புரிஞ்சுக்கணும் அது because this is the basic principle of Shakti. No,
she didn't have the power.
No. This is where you went missing.
Yes,
No, it is not like that. It is not she didn't have power. Her power was distributed initially when they were created. When the creation happens, you have got so many managers handling for so many different jobs in the Prapancha. Portfolio is there. One Vayu, one Agni. Like that, they have got lot of portfolios. Each one is the manager of that portfolio. Okay? So what happens? Say the CEO of the company or the owner of the company, should I say CEO of the company? So, CEO of the company, his power or her power is distributed among all these portfolios. He cannot directly interact, like he cannot do the same job as going and selling or going and buying or going and doing the accounts, everything. So she has got departments where people take. But the center power is with the CEO, no? It is like that, the center power is hers. When a demon comes or something, when a bigger problem comes, he enters, emergency. He or she enters, and that time, no accounts power, no sales power, no buying power, nothing. She takes everything in her hand, but the power actually is hers. When Adi Shakti emerges from the Brahman, the moment creates the Shakti. The moment in the Brahman creates the Shakti and it emerges and it gets divided into first three as Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva. See, here when we talk about Vishnu as Vishnu or Shiva as Shiva, is like, always it is considered Vishnu, Shiva and Ambal are considered to be the you call the Parabrahman as such as in 2-3 different names. Brahma, Vishnu or Shiva or something like that. It is not moving, it is static. Yoga Nidra. Vishnu means we say Yoga Nidra. Shiva means it's say like, stunned in meditation. It's like static power. The Shakti emerges from that. When the movement happens, when there is a movement, spandam happens, the Shakti emerges from it. And then that gets divided into different portfolios. So when the demon comes and she has to kill, she takes everybody's energy back to her. And then she forms them. That is how it is. It shouldn't be misunderstood like it is because of them she did that. That is the reason the 11th, 10th chapter we saw. I am Vibhutya Bahube. I can become many and I can be only one. They are all my extensions. They are not the main one, they are only the extensions of that. Very clearly they said in the 10th chapter. Before the Shumba, this thing, when Shumba says, because of their help only you, so many people's help only you could kill my brother. He says, no, they are all the extension. And he saw everybody merging with her, from Brahmani to everybody. Now she is telling different extension of hers who are present. But everything is Narayani Namostute. She is the Mahalakshmi. That we have to understand. Every Rupam is only Chandika Mahalakshmi. That we have to understand. Okay? I only hope I had explained it. Dynamic, that is for static and dynamic energy. The first stanza of Saundara Lahari, he explained everything. Shiva Shaktya Yukto Yadi Bhavati Shakta Prabhavati. Shakti, there is no, that movement is not there. The Shivam is static. Nothing happens in this world. The world will not be there. That is why we call her as Prakriti, because she is the world. Narayana Stuti also, the entire thing is considered to be, that is also will come. I will explain on Thursday. Like, what is the word? Why Narayani they have put the name? There is a reason for that. Narayani is not something like, it is the last refuge for human beings. Narayana. Narayana. Nara Ayana. Ayana is the refuge, is the last resort, the only resort. So, to consider her as the only resort, here we have used the name Narayani. She's the only resort for human beings. Nara, Ayana, Narayana. So, this has been explained actually very well. Anyway, I will do it when I explain it on Thursday. இங்க சப்த மாதான் இருக்கு, இங்க நிறைய மாதாக்கள் வருது. It is not இல்ல, இவா 7 இருந்தா கூட சிவதூதி இருக்கா, காளி வரா, everybody's name comes. It is not only contained with the Shapta Matas. It is not only contained with Shapta Matas.
Representation is
this. Yeah.
Varahi, Vaishnavi, Maheshwari.
That come in the Avarana Devata itself. In the first Avarana itself we do it. Brahmi, Maheshwari, Kaumari. That we say, no? Those are all the things that we say. They are not Grama Devatas, they are the Devatas of the Sapta Matas. Grama Devatas are different. They are like Vana Devatas. I know every temple has got the Saptas Mata.
And the Kaval and the Ayyanar along with that, it will be separately worshipped because that becomes the boundary. Not Vanadevata, but Saptamata.
No. Saptamata is like, the Matas also, there is a separate worship of all those 7 different. This is 7 are different. Those 7 are different. The first, they say, 9 Matas, they are different. Navadurga, first chapter we saw, Navadurga, that they are different. These people are all the main deities Shakti. Navadurga is what we saw was different. Yeah. For the Navaratri we celebrate her on the 9 forms. Okay? Where we? Varaha Rupini. Grihito Gramaha Chakre Damsho Dhruta Vasundare.
Grihito Gramaha Chakre Damsho Dhruta Vasundare. Grihito Gramaha Chakre Damsho Dhruta Vasundare.
Varaha Rupini Shive Narayani Namostute.
Varaha Rupini Shive Narayani Namostute. Varaha Rupini Shive Narayani Namostute.
Nrasimha Rupe Nogrena.
Nrasimha Rupe Nogrena. Nrasimha Rupe Nogrena.
Hantum Daityan Krutodhyame.
Hantum Daityan Krutodhyame. हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे
नृसिंहरूपेणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे
नृसिंहरूपेणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे नृसिंहरूपेणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे
त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
We'll finish up to 20, okay? किरीटिनी महावज्रे
किरीटिनी महावज्रे किरीटिनी महावज्रे
सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले
सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले
किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले
किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले
वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री
वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री
नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
शिवदूती स्वरूपेण
शिवदूती स्वरूपेण शिवदूती स्वरूपेण
हतदैत्यमहाबले
हतदैत्यमहाबले हतदैत्यमहाबले
शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले
शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले
घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
Shiva, no, we finished, no? That one. शिवधूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते
शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शिवदूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते.
We'll recite today's things once and finish it, okay? I think it is little, we are edging over time. एकादशोऽध्यायः ध्यानम् ॐ बालरविद्युदिमिन्दुकिरीटां तुङ्गकुचां नयनत्रययुक्तां स्मेरमुखीं वरदाङ्कुशपाशाभीतिकरां प्रभजे भुवनेशीम् ॐ ऋषिरुवाच देव्याः ते तत्र महासुरेन्द्रे सैन्द्रासुरावह्नि पुरोगमास्तान् कात्यायनीं तुष्टुरिष्टलाभात् विकाशि वक्त्राब्ज विकाशिताशाः देवी प्रपन्नार्तिहरे प्रसीद प्रसीद मातर्जगदोऽखिलस्य प्रसीद विश्वेश्वरि पाहि विश्वं त्वमीश्वरी देवी चराचरस्य आधारभूता जगदस्त्वमेका महीस्वरूपेण यतस्थितासि अपां स्वरूपस्थितया त्वयैद आप्यायते कृत्स्नमलङ्घ्य वीर्ये त्वं वैष्णवी शक्तिरनन्तवीर्या विश्वस्य बीजं परमासि माया सम्मोहितं देवी समस्तमेतत् त्वं मयि प्रसन्ना भुवि मुक्तिहेतुः विद्याः समस्तास्तव देवि भेदाः स्त्रियः समस्ताः सकला जगत्सु त्वयैकया पूरितमम्बयैतत् का ते स्तुतिस्तव्यपरा परोक्तिः सर्वभूतायदा देवी स्वर्गमुक्तिप्रदायिनी त्वं स्तुता स्तुतये का वा भवन्तु परमोक्तयः सर्वस्य बुद्धिरूपेण जनस्य हृदि संस्थिते स्वर्गापवर्गदे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते कलाकाष्ठादिरूपेण परिणामप्रदायिनी विश्वस्योपरतौ शक्ते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सर्वमङ्गलमङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बके गौरी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते सृष्टिस्थितिविनाशानां शक्तिभूते सनातनी गुणाश्रये गुणमये नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शरणागत दीनार्थ परित्राणपरायणे सर्वस्यार्तिहरे देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते हंसयुक्त विमानस्ते ब्रह्माणि रूपधारिणि कौशाम्बक्षरिके देवी नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते त्रिशूलचन्द्राहिधरे महावृषभवाहिनी माहेश्वरी स्वरूपेण नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते मयूरकुक्कुटवृते महाशक्तिधरे नगे कौमारी रूपसंस्थाने नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शङ्खचक्रगदा शार्ङ्ग गृहीत परमायुधे प्रसीद वैष्णवी रूपे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते गृहीतोग्रमहाचक्रे दंशोद्धृतवसुन्धरे वराहरूपिणी शिवे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते नृसिंहरूपेणोग्रेण हन्तुं दैत्यान् कृतोद्यमे त्रैलोक्यत्राणसहिते नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते किरीटिनी महावज्रे सहस्रनयनोज्ज्वले वृत्रप्राणहरे चैन्द्री नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते शिवधूती स्वरूपेण हतदैत्यमहाबले घोररूपे महारावे नारायणि नमोऽस्तुते।